Build smarter. Buy easier with RichmondCustomHomes.com. Once you're pre-approved for a mortgage in Richmond, Virginia, the real journey begins. First, you start house hunting with a clear budget, which helps you focus only on homes you can afford. When you find the right home, you make an offer and begin negotiations with the seller. After your offer is accepted, your loan moves into processing, where your lender verifies all financial details and documents. Next comes the home inspection and appraisal to confirm the property's condition and value. If everything checks out, your loan goes into final underwriting for approval. During this stage, it's important to avoid major financial changes like new credit or large purchases. Once approved, you move to closing, where you sign all documents and officially become a homeowner. Understanding each step helps you stay confident and avoid surprises along the way. With the right preparation, the process becomes smooth and predictable from start to finish. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. And visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.